This is how you can tell if you've got a flint stuck in your lighter. Take a flashlight right at the flint wheel and shine a flashlight in there. See how you don't see any light? There's a flint that needs to be drilled out. If you take this one here, you take a flashlight there. See how you can see light in there? That one's clear. And this one here has a stuck flint. Now to drill it out. Alright, let's see if we can drill this flint tube out. You can see there's no light coming through, so there's a flint stuck in there. So we'll take our drill. Make sure you got a drill bit that's smaller than the opening. Make sure it get down in there. You might see some sparks or something. It might take a little bit to get through it because the flint's stuck in there. Now let's see if we got it drilled out here. Yes, see how you see the light? Alright, so that's clear now. You can put a new flint in it and back in business. You can see how messy it gets, and there's part of the old flint that was stuck in there and all the dirt. Alright, let's put a new flint in here and see if... Make sure we got it where it'll spark. There you go. Got it fixed.